Hi everyone. In this tutorial we'll create this responsive timeline using HTML and Tailwind CSS. I'll be using Tailwind's Playground for this video. Let's start by creating a section element which will hold our timeline. I'll change the background color to gray 200. Set the minimum height to screen. Add a flex display, and justify center class to center the content. Now we'll create the main div tag for our timeline. We'll add the timeline's title inside h2 tag. And maybe give our section a padding bottom of 20? Yeah, it looks fine. Let's add a text xlarge to the title. The text color will be gray 700. And finally, a margin bottom 7 class. Now for the actual timeline content, let's create an unordered list, and this will hold each event or update in a list item. Create a div tag to hold the text. Our first text will be a date, which will be placed in a paragraph tag. Create another paragraph tag for the detailed part. I'll be using a random text here. Now let's limit the timeline width by adding a width of 80 to the div container. Our next step is to style the text. Since I want both paragraphs to have the same style, I'm going to add the classes to the div tag. I will set the font size to small and the text color to gray 600. Add a margin top to the detailed text paragraph. Next, we need to create a circle and a line which will be placed before the text content. Let's start with a div tag right here. And I'll paste the circle's SVG code. To create the line, add a relative class to the list tag. Back to our circle's div tag, let's create a pseudo class. I'll start by adding a before class and set the position to absolute. Then, the left position will be 5.5 pixels. The height is full. Width 1 pixel. Background color gray 400. Now to bring the circle beside the text, we need to change the display of our list. Add a flex class. Add a gap of 6. Let's duplicate our list to test multiple timeline items. Good, but we need to add a gap here. I'll remove the second list for now, and let's add a padding bottom of 5. Test it again. Much better. Our final step is to align the circle with the text. We just need to add to our list an item's baseline class. Great, the circle is aligned with the text. Now let's test our timeline again. Add a longer text if you want to, so we make sure everything is responsive. Perfect. Now for the last item, I prefer keeping the circle and removing the line. To do so, let's remove the pseudo classes from the last item. And here we go. This is our final result. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any feedbacks or suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.